Hey guys, thank you so much for coming to this video. So today's video, I am talking all about sparkle, glitter, shine, all of that stuff. I wanted to share with you guys my favorite products that just add that like sparkle and shine and just that are so reflective and give you the most bang for your buck. Not like actual bucks because some of them are expensive, but like, you know what I mean? Like the most sparkle with the least amount of effort. Does that make sense? Hopefully you know what I mean. It just adds so much to your look when you add a little glitter or shimmer or sparkle. So if you guys are interested in seeing all the shimmery, pretty, glittery things that I use, let's get into the video. So glitter can be kind of hard to wear. There's a lot of different colors, there's a lot of different sizes, there's a lot of different products that it comes in, and it's kind of hard to choose the right colors and the right formulas without making things look too costumey. So I just wanted to share my favorite stuff with you guys. So in case you guys are looking for something to add a little sparkle without looking like a clown or like a glitter fairy thing or like a unicorn, unless that's what you're going for, but whatever, if you wanted to do that, do that. Where do I want to start? Let's just start with these glitter eyeshadow stick things. I have several options, and then I do also have the ones from e.l.f. I feel like the e.l.f. ones are a little more glitter and less like color underneath. Like I'll show you these ones. So this first one is by Stila. It is their Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow in the shade Smoldering Satin. And this is basically just, all of the ones I'll show you is basically like, you just put it on your lid. It's got a base color to it, so you don't have to put it on top of another shadow, but you can. But it's just going to give you that nice pop of color and shimmer on the inner, like if you do on the lid or the inner corner, whatever you want. So here's this one. So I'm going to swatch them all and then I'll show you. This is Pixie Rose Gold. So it's the same kind of thing where it's a base color with some glitter in it. And the Stila one is definitely more sparkly. Then I also have the NYX Glitter Goals. So I don't know how good you could see that, but the first one there is the Stila. So it looks, you can actually see the chunks of glitter in it. Then the one right here is Pixie. It's more of a pink shade. And then the NYX one is more of a golden shade, but you just put them on your lid. They're so simple. They don't really like budge or like glitter fall down on your face or anything. They're just so easy to wear. So I love those. I love these. I think the Stila one is definitely my favorite, but it is the most expensive. I think these are like $24. The Pixie one was about $15, and then the NYX, I want to say like $8 or $9. So then recently I found at Target these little e.l.f. What are these even called? I think these are like glitter shadow sticks or something. And I got this one first in Flirty Birdie. It's kind of like a golden shade, a golden champagne shade. So I ended up getting 3 more because the first one was just so pretty. So I'll swatch these all for you. And the thing about these is these are $5 each. They are smaller, but for $5 you can kind of test this out and see. And I just think they're so pretty. I want to go get all the shades. There's probably 5 or 6 more shades. So I don't know how much I love the blue one. So there's those right there. This is Flirty Birdie. The gold one is 24 karat gold. Then the next one is Disco Queen. And the blue one is called Ocean Eyes. I feel like they're very similar to the other ones swatched on my hand, but when I put them on my eyes, I feel like I just see more glitter than the base color. But the first one, the Flirty Birdie, looks so pretty. If you do some crease shadow and then you just put that on the inner like third of your lid, it just looks so pretty and just adds this nice pop of glitter in there. So I'm obsessed with the Flirty Birdie shade. I haven't played around with the others yet, but I'm excited to. Okay, so next I wanted to mention a glitter liner. The best glitter liner I have found is the Urban Decay, the heavy metal glitter liners. I think I need to replace it. It looks like it's like separating. Out of all the liquid glitter liners, this one's definitely the best. It still is working, but I feel like it's just, It's not doing very good. I don't know if you can even see that, but it used to be really pretty. Brand new ones are really pretty. This one's probably like 7 or 8 years old. That's why it's doing that. So, but they have a lot of different colors. Just the formula of this is so nice. It's worth the price if you know you're going to use it a lot. And that's why I got the more golden shade, because I knew I would use this a lot more than like a blue or a pink. Next, I wanted to talk about my favorite palette that has glitters in them. It's the Tati Beauty palette. And I actually did epoxy to make it look like a cool geode. So if you haven't seen that video, check it out. But inside the Tati palette, you have all these beautiful glitters. So this whole top row is these pressed glitters. I'm gonna run out of this one soon. I use that one all the time. The thing about these glitters is you can use your finger or like a really small brush and just kind of pack it on, and then some glitter will fall, but you can just dust it away with another brush. It's really, like, it doesn't want to stick to your face where you're not like pushing it in. I love these shades. They're very nice, like easy shades to wear. They're not like bright, crazy colors. So I love this palette a lot, and just these glitters. The formula, she did such a good job with the formula of these glitters. The colors are so nice. I just love just taking just a little bit and popping it just like the very inner corner right there. And it just brings so much light and brightness to your eyes and just gives this nice little pop that just catches in the light, but it's not too much. It's a very wearable way to do glitter, just like just a tiny bit right there. So I love this palette for those. And I know I'm gonna have to buy a new one just for that one shade. Like I'm gonna run out of that one shade and have to repurchase a whole palette, because I love that glitter, but I'm okay with that. Next, I want to talk about these kind of potted, sparkly, glittery, creamy. So I have one higher end and 2 drugstore ones. So we'll start with the high end one. I'm wearing this today on my lids. This I just got like last week. This is the Tarte Chrome Paint Shadow Pot in Top Yacht is the shade. And it is so pretty. This isn't, it's not really a glitter, but it's just like this really beautiful, reflective, like, do you see how reflective that is? It's just so pretty. I'm obsessed with it. I want to look at their other shades because I think their other shades are really pretty too. I just ordered it online, so I didn't even know what it looked like in person. So, but I'm enjoying it so far. Then I have the NYX, kind of the same kind of thing. Like it's a more creamy. This is in the shade Beauty Buzz. It's their Foil Play Cream eyeshadow. This is a more golden shade, but that's that right there. It's just so pretty, and this is going to be cheaper than the Tarte one. I don't know if they have a shade similar to this. I'll have to see if I can find a dupe, because it's definitely cheaper. Then the next one I got is from EcoSoul. I got this one at CVS a while ago, and it is the shade BE01. That's just the shade name. Okay, so that's that one right there. It's really pretty as well. It's a little more like shimmery than the other two. The other two are more like metallic, but this one's like a little shimmery and a little more sheer. So next I'll talk about some highlights. I think this is meant to be a highlight, but just a sample size. And then this one. These are highlights, but I just use them on my eyes to get that like brightness that I want. I do use this on my face sometimes, but a lot of the times it's just like too bright and too like white gold. So it's just so reflective. It smells really good too. This is the Pure Highlighter in Afterglow. I cannot live without this shade. This shade I put on my inner corner and like almost every day. It gives me just the brightest like inner corner highlight pop out of anything I've ever tried, and it's just so pretty. I'm obsessed with using this on the inner corner, and I can't find anything else that even looks close. Then this is the Hikari Honeydew Cream Pigment, and it is broken. I broke it not that long ago. Why do I break everything that I love? I hate it. This one's like a little more like rose toned, but it just had like, you wouldn't think it's that bright looking at it because it doesn't look that bright, but when you put it on, it's just like beaming. It's just so pretty. So I love that. I wish I didn't break it. Next, I wanted to mention the Pat McGrath Mothership 5. I think this is the Mothership 5 palette. But what I like to do with this, it has these 2 like insane shades right here, and I just use these as like a little topper. They're just like, especially this one. Let me swatch them. And I'm not sure how much you can see it, but like this is that more golden white one, and then this one's kind of like almost greenish. They are very pretty on their own, but like on top of other shadows, they just like transform everything into like this just really, really pretty, like iridescent, glowing shade. And I'm sure all of our other palettes have similar shades like that in there, like these kind of glitter. It's like a really, really, really fine glitter. They're just so beautiful. Can you see right there? I just added it to half of the brown. And it just like changes the color and gives it this like I can't even explain how cool it is, and I don't have anything like it. I've never seen anything else like these shadows. Just whatever Pat McGrath does to make those, I like, it's crazy. Okay, so I have 3 more things. I have 2 glosses that are shimmery. So I have one by Jouer. This is called Skinny Dip. And this one's like really sparkly and I am obsessed with it. So there's that one. It smells so good too. It smells like a vanilla cupcake. So this one I'll just put like on the center of my lips just for like a nice little like pop of shine in the middle. I think it's too light to like put all over. And then the second gloss is more pink, and this one is Stardust by Joa. I think that's how you say it. This one's not as sparkly. It's just more of a clear gloss. You can't really see the sparkle in there, but it's definitely there, and it just adds to it. So it just makes your lips look just more shiny almost without being like glitter sparkly, but there's definitely glitter in it. It's just such a pretty gloss, and it's at the drugstore. So I thought I would mention that one. And the final thing is one of my favorite things ever. This is the Iconic London Prep Set Glow Setting Spray. It's almost gone. I do already have another one because I love it so much. I'm going to spray on this hand since I haven't put any glitter on this hand at all yet. I'll let it dry a second. I've been using this every single day, and then I'll go on top with a different setting spray that's more just to lock in the makeup. But this one just looks so beautiful. It just gives you like a dewy look without, like, you can see the shimmer in it. Like when you can see the shimmer like swirling around in there, but it's not too much. It doesn't just like spray this like sparkle. It's just like a very, very, very fine shimmer that just gives you this glowy look. So you can see how glowy that just looks without being like shimmery sparkly, but it just makes your skin look so healthy and glowy, but also natural because it's a spray. It's not just like a powder that you're putting on. It's not glitter. It's just like the perfect, I didn't think I would love like a shimmery setting spray, but here we are. Like, you're welcome. All right, so that is it for this video. I just wanted to share all those sparkly things with you guys, and I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any of these things that you use or what you like to use for shimmer and sparkle and glitter. And please subscribe if you haven't already. I do 3 videos a week, and I would love to have you be part of my little YouTube fam. And ring the little notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.